Want to book a ride on Bolt but not sure how to set your destination? Don't worry. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. First, open the Bolt app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. On the home screen, tap on the option that says Where to. This is where you'll set your destination. Now you'll see two different ways to enter it. You can simply type your destination into the search bar at the top. Or if you prefer, tap the map icon to choose your location manually. If you go with the map option, just drag the pointer around the map until it's right on your destination, then tap Confirm Destination. Bolt will automatically detect your pickup location using GPS, but you can adjust it if needed by moving the pickup pin. Once your pickup and destination are set, the app will show you an estimated fare and available ride options. At this stage, enter your payment details if you haven't already. Then tap Request Ride to book your driver. If this guide made things clearer for you, give the video a like, subscribe for more quick app tutorials, and let me know in the comments where your first saved destination will be. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.